Welcome to this tutorial on how to add an exponential moving average, or EMA, in Thinkorswim. The EMA is a popular technical indicator used by traders to identify trends in stock prices. In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of adding the EMA to your Thinkorswim charts. First, open your Thinkorswim platform and navigate to the chart where you want to add the EMA. To do this, go to the top menu and click on the Charts tab. Once your chart is displayed, look for a button labeled Studies, located at the top right corner of the chart. Click on this button to open the Studies menu. Next, in the Studies menu, you will see a search bar. Type exponential moving average into this bar. The EMA will appear in the search results. Click on it, and then hit the Add Selected button at the bottom of the menu. You will now see the EMA listed in the box on the right. You can customize the EMA period by double-clicking on the indicator name, where you can set your desired period, like 12 or 26, depending on your trading strategy. Finally, once you have added the EMA and adjusted its settings to your liking, click on Apply at the bottom of the Studies menu and then OK. Your exponential moving average will now be displayed on your chart. This simple addition can help you make more informed trading decisions by providing insight into price trends. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and be sure to subscribe for more Thinkorswim tips.